Still on the matter, the minority leader, Afenyo-Markin, has stated that the caucus will take steps to ensure the Member of Parliament for Akwatia, Ernest Kumi, complies with the law. The Koforidua High Court convicted Kumi of contempt after he defied an interim injunction barring him from being sworn in as a legislator. A bench warrant was later issued for his arrest after he failed to appear before the court for sentencing. Addressing the media, Afenyo-Markin described the court's directive as unfair and unsatisfactory to the minority caucus.
The court had earlier restrained the MP for Akwatia, Ernest Kumi, from presenting himself for swearing in during the inauguration of the 9th Parliament, pending the resolution of a legal dispute. However, despite this directive, Kumi proceeded to take the oath of office in Parliament. Now, citing overwhelming evidence of willful defiance, the court ruled that the lawmaker had acted in contempt and issued a bench warrant for his arrest. The MP was, however, in Parliament on Wednesday when the directive was issued by the court. Per the standing orders of Parliament, a civil or criminal process from any court or place out of Parliament shall not be served on, executed in relation to the Speaker or a Member of Parliament or the Clerk to Parliament on his or her way to or attending to or returning from any proceedings of Parliament. Now, same process shall also not be served on the MP, the Speaker, or the Clerk to Parliament within the precincts of Parliament. Addressing journalists, the minority leader, Afenyo-Markin, noted that the caucus will take steps to ensure that the MP adheres to the law.
We are here to procure the court ruling and the orders of the court. The lawyers are going to brief the caucus and we will come out with our position on the matter. Meanwhile, I'm sure all necessary steps will be taken to ensure that our colleague is law-abiding and ensure that the right thing is done.
The Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Emmanuel Amakofibua, was in Parliament on Wednesday and made a statement regarding the devastating impact of illegal mining activities in the country. He disclosed that 44 out of the 288 forest reserves are currently under severe threat from illegal miners.
Honourable Speaker, it will interest you to note that out of the 288 forest reserves that I have mentioned, a whopping 44 of these forest reserves are under serious attack by illegal miners, and an estimated area of over 5,000 hectares has been devastated. And to put it potentially, about 7,000 standard football fields is what I'm talking about. Over 9 out of the 44 forest reserves have been completely taken over by these illegal mining tasks with impunity. And the Forestry Commission no longer have access to these forest reserves.
He also revealed that less than 40 out of the over 800 suspected illegal miners have been prosecuted by the court, deeming it as woefully inadequate.
In the last few years, the numbers for prosecution for illegal mining is not very encouraging. Out of over 800, the number we had for people who have been prosecuted was less than 40.
The Member of Parliament for Brekum West, Dixon Dia, also made a statement on the violent clash between the Nsuatreman FC and Kotoko, which resulted in the death of a fan.
I urge Ghana Football Association and the National Sports Authority to put in place stringent measures and security and safety measures to prevent such occurrences in the future.
Lawmakers from both sides of the House have stressed the need for depoliticization of the fight against illegal mining activities, also known as Galamsey, to ensure its success. Reporting for ChannelOne News from Parliament, Ni Ayikwe Okai.